Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Accent Training Podcast. My name is Pat. I'm your personal American accent coach, and I'm here to tell you that many words will make a sh sound that don't have a sh spelling, like an sh spelling. I'm talking about words like efficiency, option, mission, expansion, vacation. Over our session today, I'm going to tell you about 3 spellings that commonly make a sh sound, even though there's no actual sh in the spelling. A quick disclaimer, as always with English, there are no 100% of the time rules. The words that we're going to see here are good for a good 80% of the time. This is English. There are no rules. They're just guidelines. But starting out, we've got words with a CI in the middle of the word. CI mid-word is often, not always, but often going to sound like a sh sound. Repeat after me. Special. Crucial. Social, official, special treatment, crucial timing, go socialize, official narrative. Now on top of that, we got words that have a tion spelling. tion are going to sound like shin, shin. Repeat after me. Position, option, condition, vacation, solution, station. Here's my position on this. Is this our best option? I'm in peak physical condition. I'm really looking forward to my vacation. What's a logical solution here? I'll see you at the subway station. And then finally, and this one probably has the most exceptions, but words that have an sion spelling will, again, about 80% of the time, get a shin sound. Other times they may get a zhin sound. But we'll just see the shin for today. Starting with expansion, passion, mission, tension, dimension, pension, massive expansion, full pension. I've got a lot of passion for this. I'm here on a mission. There's tension with my boss. 3-dimensional. Now, my friend, I can't train this for you. I can only show you how to train it yourself. It's like if you go to the gym, you can't just go and look at the pictures on the machines and read about exercising. You've got to physically do the exercise. You've got to train your muscles. And so I've got a task for you that we're going to wrap things up on today so that you know what the next steps are going to look like in that training. I want you to consider those 3 tips that I gave you here today. sion, tion, and ci type words. Words with a ci spelling making a sh sound. Words with a tion sounding like shin. And same thing with sion, sounding like shin. I want you to listen and identify 5 words that you hear Americans use that contain those sounds. Make a note with each of them on your phone. All right, I know you probably have a phone, so make a note of each of them on your phone and develop them into larger phrases for yourself. I can't do it for you, my friend. I can only show you what the path forward looks like here. And the path for consistent American accent development is in noticing what people are doing, training your own muscles and your own brain to recognize it and implement it, and then going out into real life and implementing it. So you've got your task for today. Now go out, implement it, and become a stronger and more confident English speaker, my friend. Have a good one.